This is the best time to invest in crypto as the prices are extremely low. In the next year and very soon the prices are going to be very high, which means that you will get a huge amount of profit. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways of earning free Bitcoin using Google Ads. So if you want to get a huge profit in the future in Bitcoin, then stick to the end of the video to understand the process easily. Before I move forward to telling you the exact procedure, let me assure you that I have researched a lot about how to earn some free Bitcoins. The simplest and the easiest method that I got is the one that I'm going to mention involving some websites and the use of social media. And to understand the whole procedure, you must be here up till the end so that you can earn a lot in the future. To earn some free Bitcoin, we are going to use some websites. The first website on the list is featurepoints.com, and the second one is idleempire.com. So, if you visit these websites and go to the dashboards, you will find out that these are the survey websites. You have to take some surveys, and in return, you will earn some points and start making money. First of all, you must know how these websites are working. Basically, there are certain tasks given on the website. Some of them are surveys which you have to complete to earn some points at the end. There are some websites mentioned where you have to make accounts. Signing up for those websites has its own points. Similarly, there are some other tasks that you can complete and get points at the end to buy free Bitcoins. So the second website here is Idle Empire, which is almost the same, but the difference is that this website works worldwide. Just like Feature Points, you have to fill out some surveys, complete some tasks, and earn points which are shown at the top corner of the website. And from those points, you can buy free Bitcoins and some other coins too. You can even withdraw PayPal money. So both of these websites allow you to earn free Bitcoins, and you can invest some time to get a huge reward in the future. Here is an amazing twist. There's a referral link on this website that is tracked on your account. If you give this link to people and they start using the website, then you get 50 points because they made the account. On top of that, 20% of their points earned will be given to you. Isn't that cool? So I would suggest that instead of answering these questions on long surveys, just focus on bringing a lot of people to these websites and you will start earning automatically. But the main question here is how to convince people and how to bring them to the website so that you can start earning the points automatically. There are certain ways to do so. The first thing on the list is Facebook. There are certain groups where people are new to the crypto world and they want to start earning the money. Also, there are people who want to work online and want to earn money from home. Search these types of groups on Facebook. Make a post where you tell people about the website and give them proof of its authenticity. Then ask people to join the website. Don't just give up posting on one group. Join all of them and post in all of them. The more they tell people about it, and the more they will be joining the website, and the more you will earn the money. They will also get the benefit. Another thing is that you have to upgrade your profile somehow. Tell people that you are earning free online money, and your profile must be giving some sense that you are actually into this work. Then go to these groups you have joined, add new members to your profile, and when they will see your profile, they will ask you the method. You can send them the referral links with the description. It is somewhat time-consuming, but it is really nothing in front of the huge profit that you are going to get in the future. But before doing this, make sure that you yourself first complete these tasks and make sure that it is working properly. So this is the first option for you to earn free Bitcoins from websites. Now let's go to the next option. Guys, now we are going to check the power of Google for warning some free Bitcoin. So, as you know, there are millions of people searching daily for ways to earn money online without any investment. So, instead of searching for those people on Facebook yourself, let them find you automatically. There are people searching for making money with apps or websites and stuff like that. So when they will search, you will appear in front of them. To do that, make an account on Google Ads. Create your free account here. Once you are signed in, first we will search what people are looking for exactly with Google Ad Tools. Click on Tools and then click on Keyword Planner. Once you do that, click on the Discover New Keyword box. Now type something related to your website in here. Google will suggest to you a lot of top keywords related to this that people are writing in the Google search bar. For example, you may write apps that pay or money-making apps. Try to write a broad keyword related to the website. After that, you will see the keywords and their search per month. Pick up some keywords, and before you use these keywords, you have to download a screen recorder. You have to make a tutorial for people on this website so that people are assured that it's real. Making a good, appealing review on this website and explain some basic features. You can download a free screen recorder for this purpose. Okay, once you have made the tutorial from the screen recorder, you will be needing a simple video editor to make the video appealing to the people. You can download OpenShot for that. The thing is, you don't have to appear yourself on the video. If you can do that, that's amazing, but even without showing yourself, then it's okay. Similarly, you can use a bot voice in the background with some light music. After making the video, edit it into the editor patiently, and when you think it's perfect now, post this video on YouTube. Now the title of this YouTube video will contain the keywords that you have found in the Keyword Planner tool in Google Ads. Now when you have made the video and written the title perfectly, work on the description of your video. First, explain what's in the video shortly, then add the links to the website. Then in the middle of these links, add your referral link too. When people will click on that referral link, you will be earning 50 points per subscription to the website. Also, a lot of people will start taking the surveys and completing the tasks. Whenever they will make some money, you will get 20% of their points as profits. With a lot of points earned, you can get a lot of coins. The video just showed the basic working of the websites and their features. Just a little explanation for the audience and it will work. So that's how you are going to earn some free Bitcoins right now. There are several other ways, but these methods do work and will let you earn a huge profit in the future. As you know, the prices of crypto are very less these days, and some people are even thinking that crypto has no future now, but they are wrong here. In the near future, people who are investing in crypto at the moment will soon be billionaires or millionaires because the future is online and people would love to earn online, make money online, and spend online without the involvement of any physical form. And crypto is going to play a big role in it for sure. So that was all for today's video. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!